The most breaking news of all times. Ghostcrawler is leaving Blizzard. This is him. The man, the myth, the legend. Ghostcrawler is leaving Blizzard. I'm sure this will affect many people. I expect many people in World of Warcraft to commit suicide over this. Without him, there is no World of Warcraft. The world has come to an end. I have already seen the sky fall. And the greatest tragedy of all, how will she take it? She considers Ghostcrawler the word of God when it comes to World of Warcraft. I think she's going to need help. Much help. Possibly some talking to by specialized counselors in grief therapy. I hope she'll be okay. But the world has been stunned by Ghostcrawler leaving Blizzard Entertainment. This is bigger than 9/11. This is bigger than the first half-black man to become president. This is bigger, at least in World of Warcraft, to everybody. This is the biggest event to ever happen. And to her, probably the greatest tragedy of all. Ghostcrawler is leaving Blizzard Entertainment. And World of Warcraft may not survive. We will have to see.